Last year every day I have to take
Yeah.
shower.
But now it's still. Hello guys, I'm going to work. Traffic is real. Brother, you are from? You know the earthquake in Afghanistan? Last night.
Earthquake in Afghanistan?
Yeah, too much die. Buti na lang may transport na mabait. Susundo. Ayan guys, papunta po tayo sa work. Half day lang. Half day work. Ang dilim na. Wala pang alas 6, madilim na dito. Ano ba yan? Ayan guys, mega na shoutout sa everyone. Makulimlim na dito sa Kuwait. Wala pang alas 6, parang gabing-gabi na.
The second house.
Really?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? Now?
Yeah.
What time now?
5:40.
You have time?
Yeah, I have time.
Okay. Inshallah.
They'll go for reporting.
Portrait, yeah.
In Keporia.
Now it's Cordoba now. You go like this and
I'm going Kutuba here. Kutuba is.
yeah, it's Cordoba nearby. Ayan guys, kasi may transport pa daw siya na kukuning iba. Alas 6. Sa Filipina also?
Yeah.
She have part-time or what?
They're Hapla.
Hapla, early.
So I dropped them at 2 o'clock. It's finished.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 hours only. It's very big house. May hapla daw yung mga Pilipina kaya sundin ng taxi. Si kuya ay si brother. Ayan, nandito ako sa taxi ngayon guys. Ayan, bawal ang dito ang taxi. Bawal sarapan ang kuan. Ang tao. Kailangan sa likuran ang passenger. Pag maramihan pwede naman. Guys, grabe oh, ang laking bahay dyan oh. Sana all makabahay ng ganyan. Makulimlim na hapon, 5:40 pa lang, pero gabi na dito sa Kuwait. Ayan, kailangan bilisan niya kasi may passenger pa daw siya ng 6. Ay na ko, ayan na, malapit lang yung trabaho ko. Malapit lang. Habulan, habulan. Mga puno na dito, masaya na kasi winter na oh. Malapit na ang winter guys. Ayan, ang winter. Exact 6 dapat nandun na ako guys. Pasok na dito sa mga bahayan dito. Wala, daming kakahuyan dito oh, grabe. Good the location, right? I think like this. What the number of the house? Okay guys, bye. Bye.